What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI. We are back with another video. So today we are working with Nadula Hair, and this is a kinky straight unit, and this unit is more of a natural texture. Like, I've been doing like a lot of natural curly type units these past couple units, but these units are just so cute. And this lace in particular melted directly in with my skin. I was kind of rushing because I had somewhere to go in like 2 hours. And I just started doing my hair. So I was trying to not rush, but still, you know, be efficient and get it done. So I did decide just to do some wand curls today. But I'm just applying on that glue. I did do one layer because, like I said, I was rushing. But I did do like a good layer. So you see the width of it is pretty thick. It's pretty wide. So that will ensure that everything lays down pretty good. And as I'm cutting this lace, you guys, you see the edges are 4C baby hair, so they do come with pre-cut curly edges. So if you did want to wear the hair just like this, you could. Now, I did bleach this unit before I applied it on, and I did kind of over bleach it. And I did that like on purpose so that I wouldn't have to pluck as much, because I knew I was going to have to put this wig on in a rush. So that didn't necessarily ruin that style. It actually like worked out in my favor. But I did cut off some of those 4C baby hairs around like the other side of the side part, because I wanted to do like a clean look with no baby hairs. So now that I took out the parts of my hair that I wanted to do for baby hairs on this side, I am going to start plucking. Now, you guys know most of the times I pluck on my head, and don't mind that little white residue on the side. It's going to dry. Like I said before, I was rushing, so I was skipping some steps. I wasn't waiting for everything to fully like adhere down. I was just trying to get everything done. So if it was sticking, it was sticking, and I was just trying to like, you know, get to the next step. But it did dry eventually. So if you guys are rushing and you see some white spots, they are gonna dry, so don't even stress it. But for the baby hairs, I wasn't quite sure as to how I was going to do my style at this point. So I wanted to make sure that I had some dramatic baby hairs. And it's the same little swoop with the other swoop going the other direction. Just my signature little side part baby hairs that I like to do. Now you could just wear it like this, but for the outfit that I was wearing, I didn't want to go for this like really huge look. I wanted the hair to have like a curl to it. So I did go in with my wand curler, my small wand curler, and I just went in, not small sections, I did like a good size sections, and I did get done with this pretty quickly. One thing about it is when you're working with hair with texture or like curly hair, if you do big sections like this, it will give you the effect as if you flexi rotted your hair overnight and you're taking them out and it's just like big curls. So that's kind of a hack. Like if you're working with straight hair or body wave hair, you won't get curls like this quick. But when you're working with any texture hair, you can wand curl it and have a really good look in a matter of time. So this is just how everything looked right after I was done, and I went ahead and sprayed a little bit of light sheen spray on my hair just to ensure that the wand curls stay. And this is the finished result, you guys. I really love the way these curls came out, and it took me no time. I was on time to my event. Like it took me no time to do these curls, and I just like this look. This hair is such a natural texture. I really feel like this is going to be one of my go-to wigs. All the information for this unit will be down below. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out.